About this item 4, very brand new manufacture in 2021. Not retread skid steer loader tires. Fits most skid steer machines including Bobcat, Case, Caterpillar, Tucson, John Deere, Komatsu, Cat, JCB, Gell, New Holland, Thomas, Volvo, Yanmar, Takeuchi, etc. 14 ply rating heavy duty G load, max load 6,780 pounds at 90 psi, tire size, 32.72 oval diameter, 12.10 section width, 24-30 seconds tread depth, rim diameter, 16.5, rim standard width, 9.75 durable tread pattern for super stability and super traction rim guard designed to protect your tire's sidewall and wheels, deep tread designed to resist gouging and cutting. Free shipping to any commercial, residential and farm/ranch within the USA contiguous 48 states. Return policy, please note, we do not offer free returns. If you choose to return the tires for a reason besides us sending the wrong tires, you will pay shipping both ways, plus a restocking fee. Please make sure you have the right size.